I'm going to show you how to factory reset a pair of JBL Tune 760NC Bluetooth headphones. You want to do a factory reset if you have issues connecting or pairing, or maybe it keeps disconnecting, or one side volume is louder than the other, or maybe audio is delayed, and so on. Okay, anyway, I have the instructions right here, and it says to hold down the volume up and volume down at the same time, and you want to hold it for 5 seconds. However, I noticed you have to hold it actually for 10 seconds. Okay, so let's go ahead and factory reset these right here. So on the one side here with all the buttons here, first thing is make sure you turn it on. So I'm going to press and hold the power button here. Now it's on. Doesn't matter what the buttons here, the light here is doing. Just go to the volume up and volume down. What we're going to do is keep holding until both of these lights go off. Okay, it's going to be about 10 seconds. Okay, so plus, minus, volume. Ready, set, go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, lights go off. Now just let go and wait. And now it'll go back to, it'll start just blinking blue here, meaning it's back in pairing mode. Now originally I was paired to my Android phone here, so these are just factory reset. If I wanted to connect back to my Android phone here where I had it paired before, if I go to settings, connections, and then Bluetooth here, and then like I said, these were paired before, okay? So I have to go ahead and click on the setting to get the new info for the Bluetooth. And for Android phones, you want to unpair. If you have an iPhone, you want to like forget device. So let me unpair. Okay, now if I go back down here under available devices, it's in pairing mode now, and now it pops up here, JBL. Now I can go ahead and repair back to this same phone. And you can see we're connected again. So there you go.